So can you tell us your name?
Yeah, Eric.
All right, Eric, what kind of business do you have?
I'm into credit card processing. I work for a technology and software company that does credit card processing.
Awesome. How did you like the seminar today, and what was your favorite part about it?
Well, I love the seminar. This is my second time coming for a seminar here. It's really good to provide the free resources, giving out this nice information. I think my favorite part was just the whole thing, but just knowing that there's resources available for businesses to help them grow and help them be financially successful. That's what's great.
Great. And how did you like the engagement from the speaker and the audience?
Well, it was fantastic, but I was also engaging myself. So
That's
it
right.
helps the engagement when I am part of the engagee.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Will you be coming back for the next one?
Yes.
We do this every 2 weeks, so
Yeah, and as long as my schedule permits, I will come because it's great information. And it's a good way to meet people and connect and pass out business cards and make new connections because people do business with people they know, like, and trust.
awesome.
Yeah.